Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Have you ever tried ginger tea? Today we are going to make ginger tea. Ginger tea is healthier than normal milk tea. It has a unique taste and flavor. Let's move to the video. In a container, take 250 ml of water, then add 1 inch size of ginger. Boil it. When it starts boiling, add 2 teaspoon tea powder and mix it well. Stir well and boil for 15 to 20 seconds. Now add 250 ml of milk and 1.5 tablespoon sugar to it. Stir it well. When it starts boiling, change to low flame and stir continuously for 15 to 20 seconds. Now switch off the flame. We can filter it into a mug.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Our ginger tea is ready. This ginger tea recipe is healthier than normal milk tea. Just have a try and enjoy it.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.